Hey everyone, I'm so glad you are here. Welcome to Trial Talks with Princey. This channel is all about clinical research, but don't worry, I'll keep it simple and fun so you actually enjoy learning it. Since this is my very first video, I would really appreciate your support. So please like, share, and subscribe. Otherwise, my confidence might drop faster than a failed clinical trial. So, here we all explore the complete journey of a drug from birth to approval and even beyond. So, if you have got any questions or queries about the session, just drop them in the comment section and I would love to check them out. Alright, then, it's enough of the intro today. Let's jump straight into today's topic before the ethics committee rejects me. Okay. Guys, let's understand a simple but very important part of a clinical research. So, it is a branch of a science where we study how safe of a drug is and whether it is really working the way it should. Okay, here there are four terms which is important to know in this definition. So, let's understand one by one. What is efficacy? Efficacy means how well a drug works in a perfect controlled conditions. Controlled conditions like in a clinical trials. Imagine the medicine is tested in a lab like settings, so where everything is ideal and patients will follow instructions properly and there will be a doctors who monitors them closely, and that is called the efficacy. And the second one is the effectiveness. So effectiveness is nothing but, on the other hand, how well the drug works in the real world. And here the people may forget the doses, um, lifestyle factors may vary, and not everything is under control. So effectiveness shows the true picture of how the drug works in a daily life. So I just wanted to make you understand about the efficacy and effectiveness. So think of efficacy like when your phone battery lost 12 hours in the company test. When the company test, 12 hours phone battery lost. But in real life, with your YouTube channel and Instagram, it lasts only 8 hours. So that is the difference between efficacy and effectiveness. And I just want to tell the third one is the safety. So every medicine has a dose that works best, right? So if the dose is too low, it won't help. If the dose is too high, it can become harmful. So we always try to find the minimum dose that gives the effect, and at the same time will avoid the toxicity. Okay, so that's why the clinical trials are the best difference for the dose levels. And the fourth one is the risk versus benefits. So every drug has some risk like side effects, but if the benefits are much greater than the risk, then the drug is considered as a safe enough to use. So these are the four important terms that we have to know in this. And so the drug the drug development process, the duration, I mean the maximum duration to complete the drug process will be like 12 to 15 years, and the minimum duration to complete the drug, 7 years. Now we'll see the now let's talk about career opportunities in the clinical research industry. There are actually a lot of different roles, and don't worry, you don't need to remember all of them right now. I'll break them into simple groups. So the first one, we have the clinical side, like the principal investigator, clinical research associate, and also called monitor, and clinical research coordinator. So these people are directly involved in running the clinical trials and working with the patients. So then we'll see the management side, project managers, clinical leads, operational leads. So they are the ones making sure the whole study runs smoothly, like a captain of the ship. So the next one is the data and documentation side. So in this, there will be a data managers, medical coders, clinical trial document specialist. So these roles mainly focus on handling and a huge amount of the information will collect during the clinical trials. And we also have the safety and the regulatory side. So drug safety associate, pharmacovigilance associate, medical reviewers, and regulatory appraisers. So these people are ensuring the drug is safe and approved legally. So finally, there are roles like medical writers, auditors, scientists, and quality assurance specialists. So who supports in checking everything of the clinical trials. So as you can see, the industry isn't it like limited to just say one or two jobs. Whether you like patient interaction, data writing, or a management, there is a place for you in a clinical research. So thank you so much for your patiently listening of this topic. And if you have any queries or questions about this session, just drop your questions on the comment section so that I'll check it out, and I'll clear your doubts in a comment section. So thank you so much, and we'll meet in the next vlog. Thank you.